Hello. Today I woke up wanting to change my room vibe, but the remote was totally gone. Instead of looking for it, I did what any coder would do. I over-engineered a solution. I wrote a quick script to control my light via Bluetooth right from my laptop. But then I had a genius idea. What if the LEDs automatically matched my laptop? I coded it up, and guys, it looks insane. The colors sync perfectly in real time. Want to try this in your setup? I open sourced the whole thing. Grab the GitHub link in the description.